Now we're going to be dividing rational expressions that have monomials that have more than one variable. So this is just like, it's very similar to multiplication because division is simply multiplication by the reciprocal. So we can immediately change this. We have 3a cubed divided by 4b, divided by this whole expression here. So we're going to rewrite this expression. We're going to take the 3a cubed divided by 4b, and we're going to keep that the same. We're going to change the division to a multiplication problem, and we're going to flip this, because that would be the reciprocal. So then we're multiplying by the reciprocal, and we're going to make that 10b cubed in the numerator divided by a to the 5th b. Okay, so now we're back to a multiplication problem, which we've already done. So everything is a multiplication all the way across the top and all the way across the bottom. So I see, let's see, 3 times 10, we can just make that 30. And then we've got a cubed, b cubed. And in the denominator we have 4, and we've got a to the 5th, and that's just like b to the 1st, so I have a b squared. Now we should be able to simplify this very quickly. So if I look at just my numbers, I have 30 and 4, and 2 goes into both of them. 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 30 15 times. And then I can look at my a. I have a to the 3rd up here, and then a to the 5th in the denominator. So I could say I have 15 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator, and that's a to the 3 minus 5, which gives me a to the negative 2. And then I have b to the 3 minus 2, which gives me just b to the 1. But I'm still not done because I have a negative exponent in the numerator. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down in the denominator and make it positive, right? So I'm left with 15, and I have b in the numerator, and I have 2 in the denominator, and now I'm going to bring the a with its exponent of 2, and I'm going to make it positive now in the denominator. So that's my simplified answer. Now if you remember, I had also shown you how if you have positive exponents, I can simply take the difference of them, and whichever one had the larger exponent is where it's going to stay. So if I think of 5 minus 3 and it's going to stay in the denominator, I simply know I have a squared in the denominator. So you could look at it that way too.